Top 10 Dinka community with their best cultural dance of the year 2025. Pay attention and watch this video till the end, and it's very, very best for the Dinka communities. Pick up the best Dinka community cultural dance. So let's also argue in the comment section. So if you don't agree, if you agree with that ideas, please let's all meet in the comment section and we argue. At number 10 is Dinka Say Manuel is from Lagos State, so they're also doing the best in their cultural dance. So how do you rate Dinka Nyel from 1 to 10? At number 9 is Dinka Dongjol. I think they are from Malakal. So they are also at number 9 with the best cultural dance, best way of dance, best traditional dance. Wow, I appreciate. How do you rate Dinka Dongjols from 1 to 10? At number 8 is Dinka Ngok from Abie region. Yeah, they are from Abie region. Wow, they are also doing the best and having a best type of cultural, peaceful peoples and beautiful girls, beautiful moments, nice community. So how do you rate Dinka Ngok from 1 to 10? Number 7 is Panoru cultural dance. I think Panoru peoples, they are from, those are Rueng and Padang peoples. So they are from Unity States. Yes, how do you rate them from 1 to 10? So at number 6 is Dinka Agar. Wow, they have a beautiful cultural dance and tallest girls, man. How do you rate Dinka Agar from 1 to 10? So at number 5 is Dinka Gok. They are also from Lagos State. I think they're Dinka Ngok and Dinka Gok. The other one is from Abie region and this one is from Lagos State. How do you rate Dinka Gok from 1 to 10? They have a beautiful cultural dance. So at number 4 is Dinka Luanjang. So I don't know how to pronounce. Please, according to your own understanding, so you know if you're from Dinka Luanjang or from other Dinka, you know how to pronounce it. But I try. So Dinka Luanjangs, they are from Warab State. You know, people of Warab State are also doing the best ever. They're so beautiful. They're so respectful. So peaceful peoples. They unite. If you want to get married from them, just be prepared to pay enough cows so you can get married easily. They don't have any problems. They don't have issues with the inter-tribes marriage, okay? They are welcome every tribe to marry from them, just as long you have to be rich to conclude. At number 3 is Tinkabor, Jungle State. Dingabor is doing. I was expecting Dingabor to be at number 1, but no, they are at number 3. So I don't know but we appreciate. So how do you rate Dinka ball from 1 to 10? Number 2 is Dinka Nyarweng. Those one is from Jungule State. They're having a slow kind of uniform dance, okay? They're so uniform and smart. Their dancing style is just such a fantastic thing and so unique. So how do you rate Dinka Nyarweng from 1 to 10? If you don't follow me, please click on the plus button and give me a follow. You might not miss my next videos. You have to watch each and every video that I share and it could help. I understand. So give me a follow right now. So at number 1, the best ever cultural dance from Dinka community is Twitch. Twitch people are the best, and they're also located in Warrap State. They're doing the best, having a beautiful girls, and I don't know how to describe. And me always, I used to attend their traditional days, footballs, tournaments, and everything. Just unite them. I used to be there and watch. I witnessed a lot from them. They're also peaceful peoples and so appreciated peoples. And there's more to describe about Twitch, but they're at number 1. So how do you rate Twitch from 1 to 10? See you in the next video.